we're going to an amusement park this Saturday, and I want to make meat pie. I want to take meat pie along with us. I bought the ingredients I need for the meat pie, so I want to bring them out. I'm going to bring it out. This minced meat, I'm going to bring it out, marinate it, and put it back in the fridge. Because 2 days to the day or a day to, I'm going to make the meat pie. So I'm going to prep the things I need. So I usually use raw meat, but it's a lot of work because number one, I'll have to defrost the meat, then I'll have to debone it, because the meat I use is the one I get from the farm, direct from the farm, and it has lots of bones and some other parts that you can't use for meat pie. But with this, it will be easy for me to use. But I haven't used this type before though. I hope it tastes good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. We are almost at 1k, and it took about 2 years. I started my channel 2 years ago, and we are still not at 1k, but at least 900 and something is a lot of people too. So I'm grateful for the little people I have in my corner, and for those that watch my videos, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. So if you are seeing this video and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and please like this video. Thank you very much.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. never stop. And we shot through time. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Sometimes I shower and wear my nightwear because I don't have anywhere that I'm going to today. So after that, you begin to paint.
It's blue.
Choice
Look behind you.
I chose blue and red because I want the painting to be bright colors. At this point, I forgot to draw the wings, but I'm still going to draw it later in this video. So you paint with your color and...
Hi.
Hello. Is it Mauricio?
Mauricio.
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 Yes.
Is he Indian too?
No.
Let me tell you.
We speak Spanish.
Okay. What's hola?
Hello.
Hello. Gracias. Is that
Thank
funny?
you.
Thank you. Hi guys, in 2 days time we'll be going to an amusement park. I just want to quickly show you guys the stuff I unboxed the other day, which is this odor neutralizer or odor eliminator. So it's very good. It's been in this fridge for the past 1 week and I can't smell a single smell in this fridge. As you can see, I have lots of food in this fridge and I can't smell a single thing. Everything is smelling fresh. In here I have spaghetti, I have vegetable soup, I have stew, what else do I have? And I have chicken and grilled chicken here. Even without all these things in the fridge, just this chicken alone here will be smelling like garlic and ginger and all that. But this device is very good because I can't smell a thing. And I'm so happy with my buy. And I'm also losing my hair. It wasn't looking rough, but everybody was telling me not to loosen it, but I just had to loosen it because the root of the hair was very rough. And again, the heat is really disturbing me. I remember last year when we got here, summer still felt like winter because it was cold. And I remember wearing turtlenecks and thick clothes. But this year summer, I guess my body temperature has already adjusted to Canada weather. I've never worked with this kind of meat before. See, those types that looks like noodles. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. When I'm about to make it tomorrow, I am going to show you guys what I'm doing. I've made meat pie twice ever since I got here, but I don't think I've showed you the process. So I just thought of making a quick video showing you the process of making the meat pie. Hello. We're looking for David.
Can we have it for popsicle?
What?
Popsicle. Freezy.
Okay, Freezy. Freezy is finished.
Oh.
It's finished.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Well, it's scary. I'm scared of heights. We're back from the amusement park, and the name of the amusement park is Tinkerland, the Tinkertown. So I just thought to pop in here. I'm going to end the vlog now, but I want to just say one or two things. If you're interested in going to the Tinkertown amusement park, number one, make sure you don't wear makeup when you're going. You know, the weather is very, very hot and humid. In fact, they had one stuff outside that rose like a fan. When you are passing there, it will sprinkle water on your body, and it just feels as if rain is falling, rain is drizzling. So the weather is very hot, so you don't want to go with your makeup. That's number one. Then number two, wear a comfortable clothes. Then number three, you can go with food. Although they sell other things there like ice cream, candy, flours, slushy, all those little snacks, but it would be nice for you to go there with snacks and water. So those are the things I want to mention, and those are the things you need to take note of when you go to Tinkertown amusement park. It's fun, you will enjoy the place. Your kids also will enjoy the place. So guys, thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share.